But I do want to get to a feature that Jeffrey has for us today.
Pretty serious one.
A serious one, yeah.
Well,
hot cars. And, we hear about it all the time. Now, I haven't heard lots of that this year yet.
But
I'm
it's coming.
kind of surprised by the way the temperatures are going.
I've got you updates, and it is serious. Hot car deaths they're not common, but they do happen. And it's serious, and if you're a guardian or a parent, pay attention, please. We're in 40 countries, so everyone needs to know this. So the summer means more activities, more time. Got to do that. More time in our vehicles. Warmer temperatures. With rising temperatures, the chance of children dying in a hot car death also increases. These deaths are all preventable. I'm going to say that again, Conrad. All of these deaths are preventable. Hot car deaths deserve attention not only in the scorching summer months, but all year long. Temperatures can increase in a vehicle to dangerous levels in less than an hour. And this doesn't mean it has to be that hot outside. Many people just don't realize how quickly a car can heat up on a warm day. There was a 4-year-old boy in 2020 that died from heat stroke when it was 78 degrees outside. Another child died in 2005 when it was 73 degrees outside. Many people just don't realize how quickly a car can heat up. If it's 73 degrees outside, it only takes 25 minutes for temperatures inside a vehicle to exceed 100 degrees. The majority of temperature increases also occur within the first 15 to 30 minutes of the vehicle being unattended, proving that it doesn't take long to reach dangerous temperatures. Hot car death is also known as pediatric vehicular heat stroke, or PVH, and refers to the unintended fatality of a child under the age of 18 that perishes due to severe heat or heat stroke within an enclosed or contained vehicle. The interior of a car. Oh no, sorry. Let's just go to this.
Thank you.
It worked out.
Read.
Sorry. The interior of a car, such as the dark upholstery or leather-wrapped steering wheel, can attract heat and hold it. Now, I have a leather-wrapped steering wheel and all that. We're good, Conrad. With no incoming cycle of fresh air or cool the interior, the temperatures exponentially become hotter and hotter, growing dangerous levels and proves fatal to those inside. Both pets and children are especially susceptible because the lack of the ability to safely extricate themselves from these vehicles in this situation. Some of the warning signs of heat stroke or heat-related deaths: a core temperature of 104 degrees or higher. Now, when you got the flu, you're thinking 101, 102, I'm going to take Tylenol, oh my gosh, I'm sick. 104 or higher, that's very hot. Skin feels hot and dry. You get confusion, agitation, and irritability, slurred speech, delirium, flushed skin, rapid breathing, racing heart, headache, nausea, vomiting, seizures, and coma. If you're to those last three, you really do need to get some help. Fortunately, there are fewer children falling victim to the PVH, and it's due to several things. Car manufacturers are putting notifications, and Leslie indicated last night that she's got a warning in her vehicle that says check your back seat.
Yeah, if you've opened the back door.
There's other ways to do that. If you're the dad or a brother and you're taking a child or even an elderly person maybe to the doctor or out for a whatever appointment, take your left shoe off. Put your left shoe in the back seat. Simple as that.
Oh,
or
that's a great idea.
Women put their purses in the back seat next to the child. Adjust your mirror so you can see that person. Like if you're getting out of the car, you look in the mirror. Oh, there's the child seat. So there are ways for preventing this. There has been a noticeable decline. Since 1998, there have been 39 children die in hot car-related incidents. It's about 910 over the course since 1998. There has been one child in Texas died this year, so far this summer, in a hot car-related death. There's been 8 in the United States, 3 of them in Florida. So they're spotty around the United States, but as these heat things move across the country, be aware of it. It's not just the United States. There's all countries have this heat-related stuff. Be aware of it. Do something. Don't. The child goes for a little nap and you forget about it. Exactly. Yeah. Be proactive. So that's my little tip for the summertime. To get going.
I have to tell you, even I don't have young children. I don't have anybody that I'm taking to work.
But you see them.
But in my instance, what I do is if things got a sunroof, either make the thing raise up a little bit, tilt it up, and then crack the windows just a little bit. Yep. So at least I don't want to get in the car myself after a long day sitting out with windows rolled up. Maybe you park your car in a place that's not really advisable to do that, but do it anyway.
Well, I can tell you from an automotive engineering point of view, they have to build, and not that this is related, but in a way it is, the plastics that are inside of a car have to withstand 150 degrees for 8 hours. That's in the engineering
Specifications.
specifications
right.
for it. So they know those kind of interior temperatures are a high not a possibility, but a probability that they're going to see those kinds of temperatures. And that's where the problem comes, is there's no air circulation, and you basically sit in there and bake.
Yeah. Just make sure that you're aware of your surroundings, especially with young children and elderly.
By the way, a portion of our show is sponsored today by the In Real Time, sponsored by Texas Nostalgia Modified Production. We're going to do the race card right after a quick break, okay? You ready? All right. We are going to take a quick break, and we'll be right back right after these messages. Everyone